All right. Well, skies in Miami looking calm at the moment as the Sunshine State gets drenched with storms, right? When you look at all of the rain that we've seen in parts of Florida, well, we have plenty to work with. Why? Because there's a lot of we are tracking a lot of moisture overhead in Florida. You're looking live right now in Orlando, Florida, where man, oh man, you got to take it slow, safe, and easy out there. Although it's 93 degrees, that heat index, or what it feels like to exposed skin at over 115 degrees, it is just sticky. It is uncomfortable in Orlando. If you're headed to any of the over a dozen theme parks out that way. But again, there's a lot of moisture, that being indicated by those areas shaded in the blue coloring. And again, right along that frontal boundary right here, that is going to be where we could see a lot of those showers and thunderstorms form along, and unfortunately that's going to lead to a pretty persistent day with showers and thunderstorms from Tampa, St. Pete to Orlando, up toward beautiful Daytona, Melbourne, Florida, right there at the beach, and then as you head down towards Sarasota, Florida as well. So a lot of showers, a lot of thunderstorms. When it comes to the severe weather threat, though, it's actually going to be up north toward the Panhandle later on this afternoon. So you look at the timeline, yeah, we're tracking some showers and thunderstorms from Tampa, St. Pete down to Lake Okeechobee, but watch what happens up here by 4, 5, and 6. You see these spotty showers and thunderstorms right here that start to bubble on up, point them out to you. Those could pack the biggest of punches. So we have to watch it very carefully because, again, some of those showers and thunderstorms could easily knock down trees, knock down a couple of power lines. When it comes to how much rain we could pick up by the time everything is said and done, yeah, through Sunday, so this will take you through the weekend, we're going 3 to 5. That's the pumpkin orange coloring. A couple of spots, possibly even more than that. Gainesville to Daytona, Orlando to Tampa area, the yellow indicating 2 to 3. Meanwhile, the darker green is 1 to 2. But it just goes to show that the Big Bend, that's right here, the Big Bend region of Florida, my goodness gracious, in for a soaking to say the least. And it's why today, tomorrow, and on Saturday for that Big Bend region that we were just talking about, we do have that opportunity for seeing some flooding. The positive out of all of this, though, is the fact that we need the rain. Look at Tallahassee, almost a foot in deficit. We're 15 inches in deficit territory for the year in Orlando. So we will take the rain when we can get it. Well, skies in Miami looking calm at the moment as the Sunshine State gets drenched with more storms. Let's see what the prediction market traders on our sponsor, Kelshi, think the total rain will be in this month. You can see it right here, July 2026, 4.85 month to date so far in Miami. They average about 7 and just over a quarter, so we're a little par or subpar of average. Meantime, you can see right here that Thursday, that's today, temperatures making it into the mid-90s. By tomorrow, we're also in the mid-90s. We'll keep it relatively dry in places like Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and then from, say, South Beach to Mid Beach to Nikki Beach in Miami area up toward Fort Lauderdale, and then Sebastian Beach going with about a ½ an inch or so. And you can see here when it comes to the Miami monthly rain, we're anticipating, again, greater than 4 inches. 99% of folks saying that. About 17% of folks saying greater than 5 inches, and about 17% saying greater than 6 inches